Hello and good day, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. And this afternoon, I am going to be showing you this gorgeous 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. This car is probably one of the best 56 convertibles I've ever laid my eyes on. The car is gorgeous from front to back. Now, this car had a frame-off restoration done, and it was completed in 2022. It was restored by Carl's Customs of Des Moines, Iowa. Underneath the hood, you are going to find a 383 cubic inch Vortec Stroker engine. It has FiTech fuel injection on it. The car has around 1,000 miles on the drivetrain, 700 R4. This car is absolutely gorgeous. It is finished in black and ivory with black and white leather interior. Car is just amazing. You'll look at this car and just, oh my goodness. When you get a car this good, it is very, very fun to video these cars and take pictures of these cars. Man, oh man, what a beautiful ride this is. Woo! Has a 9-inch Ford rear end in it, new leaf springs on the back, 4-wheel disc brakes, has a reworked heater and air conditioning box, has vintage heat and air conditioning, serpentine belt system, newly upholstered trunk, 17-inch American racing wheels front and back. Look at this automobile. Man, what a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Power steering, power brakes, power windows, GM cruise control on it. This car was built and built right. Now, this car was originally restored in the early 2000s, as I do believe, maybe late 90s. And then Carl Customs out there in Des Moines, Iowa, totally reworked this whole car. Paint, body, interior, engine, transmission, drivetrain, everything on this car. So this car is absolutely 100% ready to go. I don't know that you'll find a nicer one anywhere, especially for the price we're going to ask for this car. I haven't priced it yet, but we will put a price on this car probably yet today or tomorrow. And you can see, just look down the side of that car. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Here's the leather interior in the car. Seat belts up front, seat belts in the back. Power windows. Tilt wheel, cruise control. It's got the Resto radio in it. Looks like it's got a low car gas pedal in it. All the glass in this car is beautiful. Underneath the hood is gorgeous. I'm going to open the hood here for you, let you look in there. Aluminum radiator, aluminum AC condenser, FiTech fuel injection. Like I say, power steering, power brakes, MSD ignition. There's your vintage air conditioning, your serpentine belt system. Very, very, very highly detailed engine compartment. The chrome, the stainless, all this is just gorgeous on this car. Just gives you an idea how nice this thing is. The floor on this car, a hole underneath the car, all red epoxy primered. Beautiful black and white paint. The paint on this car is so smooth. You can rub your hands on this thing. It's just like running it over glass. I mean, it is very, very, very nice. Got the nice carpet in it. Got the original style floor mats in it. There's your door jambs, your door seals. What a great car. It's also got the classic instrument gauges in it. Dash lights all work. Horn works. Radio works. Glove box light works. Please look, but don't touch magnets there. Got your lock there for your wheels. Left turn signal, right turn signal. It does have a power top. Man, oh man, look at this beautiful car. Tail lights, got the blue dot tail lights, license plate lights work. This car is absolutely stunning in every way. Inside the trunk, like I say, the inside of the trunk's all done up. We'll open that up for you and show you that. I think you'd be hard pressed to find a nicer 56 convertible anywhere in the country. You got some spare parts in the trunk there. A new serpentine belt, all kinds of books and literature, paperwork, your FiTech fuel injection box. Everything in this car is just absolutely stunning. If you're looking for a 56 convertible, there's no need to look any further because this is the one that you're going to want. You don't want your neighbor buying this car and not you, because you'll be regretting that. There's your turn signal up front. Turn the other one on. Go in the back, show you that they work back there. Now the 56s, you don't find, there's the left turn signal. My assistant there helped me out there, turn that signal on. You see 55 convertibles, you see 57 convertibles. You don't see that many 56 convertibles. I'm gonna shut it off so I don't get gassed out in here. All these old cars that run in here seem to do that. The paint and the body on this car is probably about as nice as you're ever gonna find. The bottom of the doors, the bottom of the fenders, this car is a beauty. This is a Barrett-Jackson quality car. This is a show winning car. No matter where you take it, you're gonna win trophies with this car. I almost guarantee that. So, you're looking for a Tri-5 convertible. Here it is, Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, KinyonAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, regular inventory every single day. We have 100 plus classic cars in stock. Give us a call. We'd really, really love to talk to you about this car or maybe something else that we may have in stock. I'd love to show you flaws on this car, but I really can't because I do not see anything wrong with this car. I mean, this thing is, I can't tell you enough, I can't stress it enough how nice this car is. Follow us on our YouTube channel, Kenyon Classics. That way you stay up to date on every car that we get in stock. Really appreciate you watching. Everybody have a great afternoon.